Hey guys, welcome to Log News. Today I'll be showing you how to log into your Stripe account online on your computer. And now let's dive right in. Now to log into your Stripe account online on your computer, first open up your preferred browser, as I have already opened the Google Chrome, and on the search bar click over there and type in the address stripe.com like this and hit on enter. And after that you'll be redirected to the home page of Stripe like this. Now in order to log into your Stripe account from over here, at the top right corner of the screen, you can see the sign in button available over here. Just click on that sign in button like this. And let's wait for the page to load. And over here guys, you'll be required to enter your email address, but before that, if you have not yet signed up for a Stripe account, you can always sign up for a Stripe account from over here, which is the sign up. If you click on this blue button available over here where I'm hovering right now, you'll be taken to the registration process of the Stripe, where you'll be able to register an account on Stripe. With that being said guys, let's enter our email. And after that, enter our password. But if you have forgotten your password, you can always retrieve your account's password from over here, which says the forgot your password. If you click on that button, you'll be taken to a procedure where you'll be able to retrieve your account's password. With that being said guys, after entering your email address and your password, simply click on continue, and then you'll be signed into your Stripe account. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, please feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.